Pind Sweda. The technique of Pind Sweda is a combination of Snehana, oleation, Mardana, massage, and Swedana, sweat therapy. It is a local Swedana that uses boluses tied up in the square pieces of the cloth to apply heat to the body and induce sweating. The bolus may contain various items such as wheat, black gram, sesame seeds, horse gram, rice, etc. The whole body below the neck or a specific part of the body is made to perspire. Prior to this treatment, the patient is given a whole body massage abhyanga, after which an amla paste is applied to the head. A regularly performed type of Pind Sweda is called Shashtikashali Pind Sweda, referring to a particular variety of rice called Najwara or Shashtikashali that is used to make the boluses. This variety of the rice gets harvested in 60 days. The rice is cooked in the milk in combination with kwath. Kwath is a decoction prepared by boiling herbs, about 60 grams in 16 parts of the water, until it is reduced to 1/4 of the original amount. In Pind Sweda treatments, the herb bala is used. The cooked rice has to stir a little bit mushy before it is packed in the bundles of the natural clothes. These bundles are regularly heated to promote perspiration and have to be kept at a constant temperature throughout the treatment. Often the massage is given by 2 to 4 therapists in order to keep the body hot and to quickly switch the bundles, using a new one and leaving the other to heat it again in the decoction. It is important that all therapists use the same degree of pressure and temperature. After the completion of the treatment, the rice is applied over the body for a few minutes. It is highly effective rejuvenating technique that warms, nourishes and strengthens the tissues. It also greatly helps to stimulate the nervous system and blood circulation. It removes stiffness and swelling in the joints. It is very easy procedure, very effective and therefore ideal for healthy persons, children and for vata disorders. It reduces vata and kapha but increases pitta. Pind Sweda can be categorized under Sankara Sweda according to Charak and under Ushma Sweda according to Sushruta. After the procedure, the patient is asked to take about 15 minutes rest before taking a bath. He is advised to take light meals, avoid open air and contact with cold water.